Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Telluride LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 291 horsepower, 3.8-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.